So soft, so fluffy.
Hey everyone, I'm actually filming this a few days after I did my son's belly painting, but I thought it was really important for me to get on here and give you a little bit of background and kind of explain what's happening in the video. I'm not going to go into much detail, but if you guys want a separate video on this, please let me know in the comments below. My son Joseph, he is a very energetic, very happy-go-lucky guy. His personality definitely shines through in this video. He does suffer from some moderate anxiety, sensory sensitivity to certain things like heat, like this being in the sun, tags, certain clothing, shoes, socks, a variety of different things. He's actually very excited about me doing videos on YouTube and asked me to do one with him. We did talk about, how it's, difficult for me to do fully face painting, and he's like, well, you can do it on my belly. And how could I say no to that? We had fun with it, but we did have to stop quite a bit. In the video, you can actually see him using some of the calming strategies that he's learned through therapy, like deep breathing. You'll see him kind of meditating, and he goes like this and goes, and that's just his way of telling his body, it's okay, we're okay, let's relax. He was talking to his belly in the video. You'll see, like, saying, hey, it's okay, and that's a way for him to kind of tell himself that, hey, it's okay, we're okay, it's just face paint. And I was actually so proud of him that we actually got to finish the whole paint, the whole artwork. He loved it, and without further ado, here you go.
It goes a little. Ready? It looks like I'm becoming into a ghost ship. Be brave. So soft, so fluffy. Focus, Joseph, focus. Focus on the paper.
Because that you don't feel anything. Take deep breath in. Deep breath in. Out. In.
Stop moving, Chloe. Stop it.
Stop moving.
It says stop moving, Chloe. Don't move. It's just a person. Oh. My belly said up. It looks like mountains.
I know it does.
sentence. Looks like a
You're
bad.
almost done. Okay, I need to bring this around your belly. What? Almost done. And you connect it. Almost. Good job.
Connect it.
And you pull it in, okay?
Stop it, bro. Stop moving. I'm scared. Those pins don't do anything. Oh. Stop it. Come on, Billy. Don't do that. But it tickles a little.
Do you like Mario?
Yeah.
Yeah? I do too. Ew, just it's gross. Stop.
Sorry.
And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you could kindly please subscribe and hit the little bell button so you get notified every time that I post it, that would be great. Like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys